So we are ready to install Spark. Let's open our browser and search for Apache Spark. And this is their official website. Let's go to download, and this Apache Spark 3.0 is the latest version. It was released recently, June 18. You can check out their release video. It's awesome. And um, I'll leave this default and I'll download this for Apache Hadoop 2.7. I'll download Spark and it'll be redirected to download page, and the download should begin. I have already downloaded the file, so let me open the downloads folder, and this is what you'll get. I will move it to C drive. Continue this, and we should get it here and extract here. Please extract this, and you can use any other tools like WinZip or WinRAR or 7zip, anything. And the reason I didn't select extract to this is it will create one more folder like inside this Spark 3.0.0 bin Hadoop. I will create one more folder. I selected this option, extract here, so that I have everything in this folder. So I don't need this anymore. I'll delete this, and so this is our Spark location, Spark home. We'll download. We need to, in order to use Spark in Windows, we also need to download this Win utilities. So let's search for Win utils, and you'll get this link. This is also there in description. You can check and download, and again you can click on code and select and download zip. I have already downloaded that as well, so let me go to download and winutils master.zip, and inside this winutils master you have Hadoop 2.7.1, and that's the one I have downloaded. That's the one I have selected when downloading Spark. I did select 2.7. so let's go in here and copy this bin, copy the contents of this bin, and I'll copy Control C, and let me put it in Spark bin folder. So I have all those binaries from there, copy here. Now we are done. This installing Spark is done. We need to set environment variables now. Let's go to properties and advanced system settings and environment variable again. Let's do new. Let's see what is our Spark location. Spark home is up to here, not the bin folder, and in path, edit the path and put semicolon and paste up to bin. In path it's up to bin, and in Spark home it's just up to Hadoop 2.7, and we are done. Okay, let's close this, and cmd. Let's see what happens when we do Spark Shell. We got an error. Let's see what is the error. Spark Shell failed to locate winutils binary in the Hadoop binary path. Okay, that's a problem. we set the path for Spark, but we didn't set the path for Hadoop. Let's do properties again, advanced system setting, and new. And this is the same as the Spark path. Okay, okay, and let me start it again. Okay, I need to restart the command line. Otherwise the environment variables won't be reflected. Yeah, so we have successfully installed Spark 3, you can see, and Scala version you can see here. So we have installed Spark 3, and we'll see how to use this Spark cell in next session. Thank you.